Hi, Lauren. Here we are on our homepage for our class, and I am signed in as a student up here. So I should see what you're seeing. Okay, I'm going to go down here, and because we have homework every week, I usually would start under the content browser. Rather, I guess the due dates is also a good way to keep track, but by then you might be thinking about things too late. So, for example, let's go for today. Today's Wednesday. So here we are. I know there's a discussion forum due. You'll see here the first homework was or the first thing today was to deposit your two-page rough draft. And then this is the homework. So we're going to click it on. And you're going to see the assignment, read Food as Thought, the Moralization of Eating, pages 442 to 446. You're simply going to go here to start a new thread, click it on. Maybe you don't even have to put your name. You can just put the title because your name's going to show up anyway because you're signed into eCampus. And then here, you can either type it in here or you can copy and paste from a Word doc, but whatever. And then you're just going to hit post. But one thing I'd like to show you, if we go back, I'll show you one that's already done to make it easier. So I know last week we had a blog post. So you're going to go here. You're going to go to How Junk Food Can End Obesity. Click that on. And we'll do a test one. I already did a test before, but my screen recording wasn't working right when I tried to do this for you, so I'm doing it again. So you're going to hit start a new thread. You're going to say, I'm going to say Maria for test. Should be capital. Okay, and then here is where you would respond. So you don't have to put your name here. As I said, you can just put How Junk Food Can End Obesity. And that'll show up. You'll see. So here, I'm going to hit post. And then that's what's going to show up, but it would say your name and your writing would be in here, okay? The other thing you need to do is respond. Now, it's not going to matter for the ones past, but for example, say the one coming up, you would then click on and you go here and you say reply to thread, okay? So the trick is you need to do a post in order to get in, if that makes sense, okay? So for tonight's homework, go here, click on Wednesday, click this on, okay, start a new thread, put the title in, Food as Thought, that's all you really have to put. Put your response in here and hit post. Once you're in there, you respond to a classmate. I hope this helps, Lauren. Let me know if you have any questions.